Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm here again to answer one more question that you guys been asking, how to remove your hard drive and upgrade your hard drive to an SSD for the Asus D500 series. And in this particular one I have a D553 series, 553S model, and this is the same stuff that you will do on any of the D500 series. So first thing first, you want to flip it over, remove all the screws at the bottom cover. Remember the 3 front screws, these are the shorter screws, so do not put the longer one here, otherwise it's going to penetrate from the other side of the cover. So always put the longer ones on the mid back and the short one in the front end. So let's go ahead and unscrew the screws. Alright, once you remove the screws, you want to grab your laptop, open it up in just 45 degrees. Do not open everything, just 45, and hold it up just like in front of you. Next, you want to grab a guitar pick or anything like a guitar pick, sharp and steady, and it won't scratch the cover. You want to stick it in between the top cover and the bottom cover, and you're going to twist it, and you're going to hear click sounds. Once you did that, next step, you want to open it up just 30-40 degrees, and you're going to disconnect the cable, flex cable for the keyboard, just by lifting up one black plastic right there 90 degrees, and the keyboard is just going to slide out. And same thing for the mouse pad, just lift up the cover, the black plastic, and slide out the flex cable. Next, you can just remove the top cover. Alright, down here, the hard drive is right in the middle, on the just where the logo is for the Asus, just right there in the middle of the laptop. There's a caddy. We have to remove 4 screws that hold this caddy, which is holding the hard drive in place. Also, you do not need to disconnect the battery cable as long as the laptop is off, so don't worry, nothing will happen. Next, you want to slide the hard drive caddy all the way to the back side. There's a gap right here, so you want to slide it from here all the way to there, just like that. And you're going to see a gap opening right on the connectors. Once you see that gap, just go ahead and lift up the hard drive. So there's the hard drive where it goes, and there's your mechanical hard drive. You can't just go ahead and place the new hard drive in, or it's going to just wobble around. So you need the caddy to remove the caddy from this hard drive. So remove the 2 screws on each side, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Alright, once you remove the screws, just remove the position that you had the hard drive in the same position that you're gonna put your new hard drive. And put the new one right there. Match the holes on the caddy. And put the screws for those. Alright, now that we have the new hard drive in place on the caddy, you're gonna grab it, you're gonna put it in the same position that you removed, in the offset position, and you're gonna push it down a little bit, and now you're gonna slide it all the way to the battery side. I am gonna remove this hard drive because it's just for the demonstration. I'm gonna put back again the other hard drive. Alright, next we're gonna put the 4 screws that holds the caddy in place. Alright, next we're gonna grab the top cover, and we're gonna put the back side down. This one is already broken, so they came in broken, and you're gonna push down the corners slowly, not too hard. And you're gonna close it 45-degree angle, lift up, and put down the flex cable for the keyboard. You have to slide it right under the lock. There you go. While you hold it with one finger, with the other finger, just close the lock. Same thing for this one, lift up the lock mechanism, 90 degrees up. And slide the cable right underneath. Now you can go ahead, put the laptop down and squeeze, push down every corner. You're gonna hear those click sounds. Now the last thing is put the back screws back in place. Remember the front ends are the shorter ones. And I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, thumbs up. And if you have any more questions, just ask me in the comments. And I'll appreciate if you guys subscribe. It helps me, motivates me make more videos and answer your comments. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm just gonna finish up putting the screws. Alright, and this is how you upgrade your hard drive and SSD for your laptop Asus D553 series.